student. My today's topic is growth and development. As we know that life comes from a single cell which is termed as zygote. When male and female sperm fuses with each other, in the result of which zygote is formed, and this zygote passes through the progressive changes, in the result of which an individual is formed, is termed as development. So, development is the process of progressive changes through which a fertilized egg passes before it assumes an adult form. Another terminology that we will use in this chapter is termed as Andrology and Developmental Biology. What is Andrology or Developmental Biology? The study in which we study about the progressive change of an individual through which an adult is formed is termed as Developmental Biology or Andrology. What is embryo? Embryo is a developing structure that is formed by the mitotic division of the zygote and attain a structure which is termed as embryo. Later on, there is further changes occurs in an embryo, that is increase in size, increase in structure, increase in its weight and shape is termed as growth. When an organism increases its size, shape, structure or its weight, then this is termed as the growth, and the definition is a permanent irreversible increase in size, weight, shape and structure, which usually accompanied by a permanent change of a form of a multicellular organism is termed as growth. From development to the growth, there is various stages occurs within the zygote, in the result of which an organism is developed. For the growth and development, an embryo or zygote passes through various stages which may be similar in some organisms, but in some organisms they can be different. But the basic stages are similar, and these basic stages through which these organisms passes through are gamut formation, then fertilization, cleavage, gastrulation, organogenesis and growth. What is gamut formation? You have studied in the reproduction about spermatogenesis and oogenesis. This is termed as gamut formation. The process by which a sex cell is formed, either ova or sperm, is termed as gamut formation. In female, ova is formed by the process of oogenesis, while in male, sperm is formed by the process of spermatogenesis. When these two forms of egg are formed, then these four cells fuses with each other, in the result of which a single diploid cell is formed, which is termed as zygote, and the process is termed as fertilization. Fertilization is the process in which ova and sperm fuses with each other, in the result of which diploid single cell is formed, which is termed as zygote. When these sperm and ova are fused, then zygote is formed and the mitotic division occurs with single cell, which we will study later on. This is termed as lect. At the stage of cleavage, the zygote is divided into number of compartments or number of cells. This is termed as cleavage, while when these cells, number of cells is formed and that contain specific part of cytoplasm of the zygote. These specific cells are then arranged themselves in the stage which is termed as gastrulation. In the result of gastrulation, three layers of derm is formed, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm, by which various organs of the body is formed. By the formation of ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm, organ is formed is termed as organogenesis, in which tissues that are formed during the process of gastrulation is arranged in a specific manner for the formation of specific organ. The process termed as organogenesis. While growth is, I have told you before that growth is the permanent irreversible change that occur in the embryo for the formation of a multicellular organism is termed as growth, in the result of which structure, size, shape and weight of the organism increased. I hope you got an idea about stages of development as well as the various terminologies that are used during the